What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Adventures with Reg, and welcome back to another video with Car Adventures with Reg. And today we are doing the valve cover gasket job on this Infiniti G35. Right now, gotta warm it up a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the parts, what I did order. So I got all of this from Z1. Besides the Velcro gaskets, every video I watch when they're doing these, they always get the Velcro gaskets. So I said, you know what, go ahead and get those. So as you can see, here's one. I got another one right here, and I got some other gaskets for the manifold, and I also bought these Z1 hoses too, just in case. But yeah, these are the gaskets that they give you, but I heard these are kind of weak, so yeah, I'm about to put all this stuff in the car. So as y'all can see, I got it from Z1. Like I said, I ended up paying $600 for everything. I ended up getting the valve covers, the left and the right, with the gaskets, and also some other gaskets for the manifold or spacer, and like this other gasket. Then I also bought the hoses from Z1 because those are some good hoses besides those rubber ones. And every time when I watch the valve cover video, they always pop off, so I'm just trying to be prepared. So, you know, I bought some hoses. Another thing I did was I bought the Velcro gaskets from AutoZone. Those are like $30, so in total I spent $630 for parts. If I would have went to Infiniti, I would have been spending $1,100 for parts. So save me some money, and also I'm spending $480 for the job itself. So right now we finna get on the road and get over there. I'm supposed to be there by 2 o'clock, and it's like, yep, almost 1:40 right now. So need to hurry up and get over there. But yeah, y'all, I wanted to try to knock this out really fast. You know, I don't want to prolong this. Anything when it comes to like any of my cars, if any like some type of big work on my cars, and you know, I'll always do it fast. I don't like to be like, oh, you know, I have to wait on it for a while, you know, stuff like that. Now I like to get it done fast, you know, because I like to drive these cars hard. If I like to drive these cars hard, then, you know, I gotta make sure the maintenance is up, and you know, I keep a good maintenance. So, but I'm gonna have to go get an oil change after I do this. So I'll be getting an oil change in this car, and I believe hopefully everything else will be a-okay. And we also gonna see that drone. I don't know if y'all can hear that drone on the camera, but we also gonna see how healthy the engine is too, because we're gonna be able to see the oil, and hopefully ain't no bad oil or nothing in this car. Because I only did one oil change in this car. I'm not the first owner of this car, so we're gonna see how healthy this engine is too. So that's exciting. But I usually get oil changes every 3,000 miles. Everything right here. I'll get started on it. This Z06 is wet too. This thing is clean. Not gonna lie. Somebody got something up in that body shop. Fire. You already know, man. City Alignment and Conquer, man. Go check them out. Switch the throttle body. Yep. This one too.
probably like a 10 that holds the harness. So much easier when you got 4 hands.
No, for real. It looks good, right? Like,
yeah,
engine.
Everything is good, clean. After the gasket, it's gonna be even better.
Yeah. Manifold out. Got a little oil in there. The spacer out. Now, my next investment is to get an oil catch can.
Oh, he's here?
Yeah. Yeah, y'all. These old covers is coming out, man. They gotta go. I think I already see a little oil right there, too. That's crazy, though. I kind of like looking at my engine like this. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of clean. How they tore it all down and stuff. First valve cover is off when it's leaking.
You use good oil and you do it frequently, so that's good.
Yep, every 2,000 miles.
That's how you keep them clean. It's really clean. Got the squeegee?
Shoes out. Clean. So as you can see, both of them, well, this one is not on all the way. This one's not on all the way. But like I said, I am going to do an oil catch can in this car. I definitely need that. So I'll be doing that really, really soon. But right now, I just want to get these valve cover gaskets taken care of. And then, you know, everything else will be cool. But, yep. The old ones right here. Old ones. Brand ones from Z1. Both of them are fully in now. This one. Alright, y'all, I'm so mad because I had recorded a whole like 6-minute clip of like after, you know, I got the valve covers done and stuff like that, went over it, and it won't show on my computer. The file is like corrupted or something. So instead, I'm about to just shoot a quick little outro and show y'all what it looks like after. And then I'm also had a car on so y'all can see that there's no check engine lights on or nothing like that. So just give me a second. So as you can see, they're both in. You know, still don't see no leaks. No leaks. No leaks on that side. No leaks on this side. Everything looks good. Also replaced a couple of hoses. This is Z1. This is Z1 hose in here somewhere, and there's another one right over here. So I replaced them with some Z1 silicone hoses. I plan on replacing all the hoses with Z1 hoses, but in due time. But everything looks good, you know. Real quick, simple job. Now I'm gonna show y'all no check engine lights, nothing like that. So like I said, no check engine lights, everything looked good. The car drives amazing. Been driving on it for about a week, and it drives pretty good. Didn't have no problems. So thank you to City Alignment once again for you know, fixing my car. Out here good on these streets, so I appreciate that. But yeah, like I said, y'all had like a whole 6-minute clip, man, and I can't copy that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like I said, I got more stuff on the way. A lot more vlogs, a lot more building, a lot more cars, a lot more everything on the way. So y'all definitely stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe right now. And if you did like this video, go ahead and leave me a like. Also, go ahead and comment. You know, if you want to comment, it definitely helps me on the algorithm, and I definitely need that. So you guys have a good day. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.